Test Calendar. Test Calendar is ideal for examiners to quickly identify what tests are taking place on what dates. This is the default landing page, which shows you the status of scheduled and overdue tests for the current day. You'll be able to see a monthly calendar, which can be filtered to search for tests according to a 1-day, 7 days, or 30 days timescale. Please also be aware that for this example, we are presently logged in as a test user, meaning we presently have access to only a handful of data test records. By clicking on the Open Close Test Bookings button on the top left, you will be able to view a quick summary of how many tests have been scheduled before and after the scheduled date. At the top of the screen, you can search by centre, test, or candidate using either the code or name in the text boxes at the top of the page. So, let's take a look at what tests we have coming up. By viewing our calendar, we can see that on Thursday the 3rd, we have 6 tests taking place on that day. The number in the grey circle shows the number of candidates taking this particular test in this time slot in a single centre. If we click the plus button on the right side, it shows a drop-down table listing the candidates that have been scheduled for the selected test in this time slot. You can click the blue box on the right side, then click Print Save Attendance Register for the test and times which you have selected in the tick boxes on the left-hand side, and those tests will then save as a PDF, which can then be printed. On the right-hand side of this table, there is a button called Profile. This shows the candidate's test history and provisional score. As you can see, the candidate profile includes candidate name and enrolment number, test code and name, test date, City and Guilds Global Pass Average, candidate percentage mark, grade, test key code, and the provisional score report, which can be viewed by clicking on the hyperlink. The score report breaks down the learner's response to each individual learning outcome, showing detail of how an individual learner performed within each learning outcome. With the breakdown of provisional pass grades, you're able to highlight strengths and weaknesses, enabling you to see the progression of each learner and understand where their development needs are, assisting in quality improvement plans. This is also the main feature of candidates, which we'll come to later. Find out more at www.cityandguilds.com/Evolve Centre Analytics.